Are you looking to enhance your web-based editor with custom SQL auto-completion? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we will explore how to add your own completer in the ACE editor. I totally understand how important it is to have the right tools at your fingertips, especially when working with databases. You want your editor to be efficient and tailored to your needs. You're definitely not alone in this quest for customization. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I add my own completer in the ACE editor for SQL keywords? This is a common scenario for developers looking to streamline their workflow. Let's dive into how we can achieve this. So what exactly is the ACE editor's autocompleter? It's a feature that suggests code completions as you type, which can significantly speed up your coding process. By adding your own rules, you can ensure that only relevant SQL keywords are suggested, making your editor even more powerful. And stick around. At the end of this video, I will share a bonus tip that will help you optimize your ACE editor even further. To add your own completer in the ACE editor, the user should start by defining a new completer function. This function will provide the SQL keywords that the editor will suggest. Next, the user needs to add this completer to the ACE editor instance. This is done by using the editor's setOptions method to include the new completer. After adding the completer, the user should ensure that the editor is set up to trigger auto-completion. This can be done by configuring the editor's key bindings. Finally, the user can test the implementation by typing SQL keywords in the editor. The auto-completion should suggest the defined SQL keywords as the user types. Fun fact, did you know that SQL stands for Structured Query Language? It's the standard language for managing and manipulating databases. Now let's get back to customizing your editor. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach to adding your own completer in the ACE editor is to set the editor's mode to SQL. You can do this by using the command to set the mode and then enabling options for basic autocompletion, snippets, and live autocompletion. The live autocompletion feature will provide real-time pop-ups as you type. Here's the bonus tip I promised. Regularly update your keyword list as your database evolves. This will keep your autocompletion relevant and useful. And there you have it. You've successfully added your own completer in the ACE editor for SQL keywords. Remember, customization is key to improving your workflow. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.